Avalanche and Grubauer's contract here. He's playing like it. First in the league in starts, or tied for second. I'm sorry, first in the league in shutouts and wins.
Dean Evason starts the game with Nico Sturm between Greenway and Foligno up front. Donskoy in on the forecheck for Colorado. Collides there with Susi. Out of the corner, Nichushkin throws one on goal. Rebound chance goes wide. Erik Johnson holds his own. Around behind the Minnesota net, O'Connor has it. To Tyson Jost, back of the net. Out in the circle for a quick shot by Makar, and that was deflected away. O'Connor again. He fires and scores. It deflected off of Kähkönen's stick, which was laying outside the crease. And that redirect gives Colorado the game's first goal.
The Wild really struggling on that shift. The Avalanche D just so active, extending plays all over the ice. Unable to keep their head on a swivel. This comes in, fires that puck. I think he just actually maybe looks like he's trying to go off that stick and in.
McKinnon trying to work against Brodin. Plays it across. Shot there by Timmins. Knocked away by Kähkönen. Held at the line by Byram. A centering pass. Kähkönen makes the save. Loose puck swept away by Bonino.
But their D are really active too, and they're playmaking D. They're not just pinching and holding pucks in. They're making plays.
Hartman into the slot. Bonino a shot, and Grubauer had to make the stop there. Foligno floats it down into Colorado territory. Nico Sturm there. Around behind the net to Greenway. Greenway sneaks it through. Brodin looking for a lane. Dumba moving in. He scores! Matt Dumba goes top shelf. And Minnesota on their heels for nearly 7 minutes has tied this game.
Greenway coming up the wall, cuts to the inside, uses that long reach. Brodin dragging the blue line, freezing everybody. I think everybody thought he was going to shot. That opens up enough space for Matt Dumba to walk down. And look at this little hole he puts this in. Head up the whole way. Right on the toe, picks that corner. Maybe a little.
Steps to Foligno hit. Makar plays it off the glass. It ricochets right out front for a shot. Landeskog took a stick in the chin as Kähkönen knocked it away. Another shot deflected to the corner. I'm not sure Kähkönen saw that one.
Maybe the best offensive flurry the Wild have had starts with a good, clean exit out of their own zone.
Here's Compher circling. Throws it on goal, and Kähkönen makes the save and then handles the carom.
The red line, so it's not nice. Greenway knows that, finishes the hit. Those ones hurt, you remember.
Back up high, Makar. Across to McKinnon. Bumped by Foligno. Landeskog to Rantanen. His shot was blocked. Dumba may have gotten away with a hook on Kadri out front, and the Wild get it clear. Girard chased by Spurgeon. Wild penalty kill, 7th best in the NHL. Burakovsky into the corner, saw it out front, and Donskoy scores. We were just talking about the depth players added. Here's the second power play group, and it's Burakovsky. Down low to Saad, back to Donskoy, 3 players.
It's a great play by Saad. I mean, play to your strengths. He's a wall guy that complements the skill guys. He picks that puck off the dasher, quick little shoulder check just before, puts one right on the tape of Donskoy. Look at that. That's a fantastic pass. And then
they were one of the better scoring teams 5-on-5, particularly down the stretch last season. But now they head into a second period that has been their nemesis much of the year. Makar races into the Minnesota zone. To Rantanen, a shot. Saved by Kähkönen, and he slides across to stop the rebound.
Bauer saw a couple of those. They just happened to hit him. This one, Kähkönen saves that one. How about the stick-to-itiveness there to slide over and grab it? I think it goes off the post or off the outside of the net.
Off of Brodin, it hits the post.
Yeah, but look at McKinnon there. He was hungry.
Up the boards to Kaprizov, and Spurgeon handles it. Eriksson Ek works against Byram. Eriksson Ek drives the net. A shot and a save by Grubauer.
His skating ability. Picks up this puck in the neutral zone. Byram with a bad angle, not moving the feet. And Eriksson Ek able to just take an arm off, throw him behind him. Protects Corral. Get a shot there short side. Good start.
Sturm battling with Makar. Landeskog has it at center. Gives to McKinnon. Drops to Rantanen. Cuts to the middle. Rantanen fires off the post. No, he scores. It went up under the crossbar, and Rantanen's goal has Colorado up by 2.
Rantanen gets the puck, cuts inside the blue line, makes a power move, and then just snipes far side high over the glove.
Brodin and Hunt comes up empty. Power play is over. Avs have a 2-on-1 with McKinnon just out of the penalty box. Fires, save Kähkönen, and the rebound knocked aside by Greenway.
He just picks this puck up in the neutral zone, comes in and fires. I think it's right in the mask, upper shoulder. Right in the neck guard mask there.
Hire yourself as part of the ice crew. I like the plan.
That pays to be multi-talented.
Eriksson Ek with a shot. Save Grubauer. Rebound loose. Eriksson Ek pounding away. And a whistle.
This puck just landed. I think the best chance at it is Jordan Greenway. Watch him come through here. Right here. It's everything McKinnon has to tie up the stick of Greenway. The puck's still loose there. Just a melee. Everybody battling. Foligno down. Not sure why the whistle went. I don't think Grubauer was anywhere near this. Actually, Ek had a good chance at that one too.
Landeskog out to Makar. Landeskog to Makar. A drive. Save Kähkönen. And he covers the rebound with Rantanen right there.
Hartman up there doing everything he can to try to get a piece of this, but it's a good job in front. Avalanche are without 2 of their top defenders. Taves is out for the game. Now Johnson, so they got a short bench on the back end. Got to take advantage of it.
Brodin into the corner. Bonino back to Brodin. 10 in the power play. Bonino, Dumba drive, saved by Grubauer.
And this feed cross the crease, or I should say cross.
Maybe a 3-on-1 for Colorado. McKinnon has Rantanen. Rantanen waits. Back to the trailing Saad, and it went off the post. Saad again. This time he scores.
And how about the patience on these guys? Rantanen doesn't like the shot, just waits for the next wave. Really, that's the problem with that one is the Wild beat up the ice not just once, twice on that. That second wave was able to get in there too.
The Wild have been shorthanded against one of the league's better power plays 6 times. Burakovsky sends it across and they score. Wild have been shorthanded against one of the league's better power plays 6 times. Burakovsky sends it across and they score. And for the second time, the second power play unit scores for Colorado. But you get to this point in the game where you've been shorthanded for 12 minutes.
And for 12 minutes, they've been shorthanded all game with limited forwards up front, guys having to kill. But that one, just a little bit too easy. Couple of seam passes. You just can't let that puck get through to Comfer. But nice play by the second unit.
Foligno plays it off the boards and out toward the line. Timmins holds. Hunt now taking a shift here on defense with Dumba gone and down 4.5 minutes. Eriksson Ek works wide, back to Foligno, waiting and just ran out of time. Did get a backhander toward the net. Grubauer kicks it away in the final horn.